Have you ever wondered why some people seem to recover faster after workouts, illness, or even everyday tiredness, while others feel stuck with low energy for days? What if the secret is not expensive supplements or complicated routines, but simple foods you can find easily? Today, you are going to learn about 3 powerful superfoods that help your body repair itself faster than you think. These foods work naturally inside your body to reduce inflammation, support healing, and rebuild damaged cells. Stay with me till the end, because these are foods you can start using from today. Your body is always repairing itself. Every single day, your cells break down and rebuild. When you exercise, when you get a small injury, or even when you feel stressed, your body needs extra support to recover properly. This is where nutrient-rich foods play a very important role. Superfoods are not magic foods, but they are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and proteins that your body uses as raw material for repair. When you eat the right foods regularly, you help your body heal more efficiently and stay strong from the inside. Let us start with the first superfood, salmon. Salmon is one of the best natural foods for body repair. It is rich in high-quality protein, which your body needs to rebuild muscles, skin, and tissues. Every cell in your body uses protein to repair damage. Without enough protein, healing becomes slow. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are very important because they help reduce inflammation inside the body. Inflammation is one of the main reasons why pain, swelling, and slow recovery happen. When inflammation stays high for a long time, the body struggles to heal properly. Omega-3 fats help calm this inflammation, allowing your body to focus on repairing damaged tissues. Salmon also contains important nutrients like selenium and B vitamins, which support immune health and energy production. A strong immune system helps your body recover faster from illness and daily stress. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week can make a big difference in how your body feels and recovers over time. You can bake it, grill it, or lightly steam it. Try to avoid deep frying so you keep its healing nutrients intact. Now let us move to the second superfood, berries. Berries may be small, but they are extremely powerful for healing and repair. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by stress, pollution, poor diet, and intense physical activity. When your cells are damaged, your body has to work harder to repair them. Antioxidants reduce this damage, making the repair process faster and smoother. Berries are also an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps heal wounds, supports skin health, and keeps joints and connective tissues strong. Without enough vitamin C, healing becomes slow and weak. This is why people with low vitamin C often experience slow recovery and low immunity. Berries also support your immune system, helping your body fight infections and recover quicker from illness. Adding berries to your daily diet is very easy. You can add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or even eat them as a snack. Fresh or frozen berries both work well, as long as they are not loaded with added sugar. A small bowl of berries every day can support your body in ways you might not notice immediately. But over time, your energy and recovery will improve. The third superfood is leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and other green leaves are full of healing nutrients. They contain vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals and fiber. Vitamin A helps your immune system work properly and supports skin repair. Vitamin C, as you already know, helps with collagen formation and cell repair. Vitamin K plays a key role in blood clotting, which is essential when healing cuts, wounds, or internal tissue damage. Leafy greens also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your cells from further damage. When inflammation is controlled, your body can focus more energy on repairing and rebuilding. Fiber in leafy greens supports gut health, and a healthy gut helps your body absorb nutrients better. When your body absorbs nutrients efficiently, healing becomes faster and more effective. You can include leafy greens in your meals in many simple ways. Add them to salads, soups, omelets, or blend them into smoothies. Even one large handful of leafy greens per day can support your body healing process. Over time, you may notice better digestion, improved energy, and faster recovery from daily tiredness. Now let us bring everything together. Salmon provides your body with protein and healthy fats to rebuild and reduce inflammation. Berries protect your cells and support collagen production for healing. Leafy greens supply essential vitamins and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system and repair tissues. When you include these 3 superfoods regularly, you give your body the tools it needs to heal itself more efficiently. Remember, healing does not happen overnight. Consistency is the key. Small daily choices add up over time. When you fuel your body with the right foods, you are supporting its natural ability to repair and protect itself. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who cares about their health. Subscribe to the channel for more simple and natural wellness tips. Also, comment below and tell me which of these superfoods you already eat, or which one you want to start adding to your diet. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.